Let's begin by removing any tape that is left over from your last application. It is crucial that you take your time when doing this because it is very easy to get overexcited and pull the tape off too quickly to where it damages the actual tape extension. Grab your roll of tape and line it up perfectly with the top of the extension. Both the tape and the extension piece are 1 centimeter wide roughly. Do one side and then flip the tape over and wrap the other side. Press down smoothly once you have covered both sides and cut as close as you can to the end of the extension. Once you've gone through and done all of them, we're ready for application. Begin close to the base of your head or wherever you'd like your first extension to sit and grab the second largest piece in your kit. Stick it on one side and then pull the other side off while your hair is still up. Use your largest piece for the middle of your head, the widest part of your head. This is going to cover the most ground. You'll find using one continuous piece of tape on both sides of your hair extensions will make it a lot easier when it comes to application, pulling that piece of tape off. As you won't be sitting there picking the sides off, you can just pull it off like a tag, as you can see. Continue with your 4 smallest pieces at the front of the face. This is to fill out any layers around your face. It is important to place these correctly as they will help with blending of the hair. Clean, neat sections are also critical in maintaining hair health and avoiding any pulling. Depending where you've placed the extensions, you might find you need to take off some of the ends just the first time around. Now let's talk about removal and what to expect when wearing your Muse hair extensions. Removal is just as important as installation. You want to make sure you're doing it properly to optimize the health of your hair. Begin by sectioning your hair at the lowest section that you applied your hair extensions, and using the Muse Release Spray, saturate both the underneath part and the top of the extension. We recommend, if you can, leaving it for 30 seconds to do its magic. However, if you can't, slowly use your fingers to massage your natural hair away from the extensions like so. Continue to work your way up until you have removed all of the pieces from your hair. Remove the tape from the hair extension piece once they are all out, before washing the hair extension and allowing it to dry naturally before retaping and putting it back in your head. Let's talk about what to expect while your hair extensions are in your head. Every 2 to 4 weeks, your hair extensions will need to be reapplied to move the extensions closer to the scalp and to keep your hair healthy. This amount of time differs from person to person. The tape is designed to naturally break down over the weeks. These aren't the same as regular taping extensions, they have a shorter wear time. With that, it is important to note that it is normal for the extensions to become a little sticky as the weeks pass. Uses of hairsprays, dry shampoos, and any oils will speed up this process. We also don't recommend you wash your hair any more than twice a week. This will also speed up this process and cause them to become stickier quicker. It is important that you do not use products with high silicone or sulfates, as they may affect the bonds and you may find you get less wear out of your installations. Do not comb or brush the hair extensions while they are wet, and never sleep with wet hair extensions. When brushing your hair, begin at the ends of your hair and work your way up, holding the roots to prevent pulling on the bonds. Make sure you use high quality hair products, but don't overdo it. Too much hair product can cause buildup and tangling over time, so you want to be careful with the amount of product you use. And never use any products containing oils, alcohol, or ethanol, as they can damage the hair extensions and also wear down the adhesive. Since a person's average natural hair loss is 50 to 100 strands per day, you will see a small amount of naturally released hairs in between the tape bonds at time of removal. This is normal and should not be interpreted as hair loss due to wearing hair extensions. You lose hair every day naturally, but when you have tape extensions, the hair remains between the tape bonds.